Upgrade your BMW's infotainment system with the Nunoo Android 14 CarPlay, designed specifically for BMW 3 and 4 series models, including F30, F31, F32, F33, F34, F35, and F36. This plug-and-play head unit brings a stunning 1920 by 720 resolution to your dashboard, turning your car into a connected multimedia powerhouse. With support for DVD-RAM, MP4, JPEG, WMA, and more, your entire digital library comes to life on a vivid, crystal-clear display. Enjoy the seamless integration of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, letting you mirror your smartphone's apps for music, navigation, messaging, and more, all while keeping your hands on the wheel with steering wheel control support. Under the hood, the unit features digital sound processing, DSP, and a powerful 4x45W output, delivering rich, dynamic audio for audiophiles and casual listeners alike. Need to multitask? No problem. The split-screen mode lets you run navigation and music, or other apps, side by side. And when it comes to safety, the system is compatible with an HD rear camera, providing a wide and sharp backup view. Backed by a 2-year warranty and 24/7 customer support, the Nunoo CarPlay system is built to last and ready to impress. Every component is crafted to meet Nunoo's strict quality standards, including resistance to high temperatures for long-term durability. Whether you're commuting or road tripping, the Nunoo Android 14 Car Multimedia Player transforms your BMW into a smarter, safer, and more entertaining ride.